Hey guys, FirstinWeather here. I know it's been a while since I last recorded a video, but it is May 13th, 2018, and there's a lot of information to go over regarding the next week or so, regarding storm chances. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to go to the NAM 3KM model, go to the Southeast US view, and as we take this through, it's Sunday night right now when I'm recording this video. Most of you will be seeing this Monday morning, but as we go through, you'll see that the NAM model is trying to develop a couple afternoon boomers, Monday, late afternoon, Monday into the evening. On the previous run, it was much more aggressive with this, with a pretty good line actually forming. If we go to the previous one, let me try to get, not that. It was pretty aggressive with the line forming, and had pretty good weather sounding for some pretty good thunderstorms. But I think the main consensus right now from all the weather models is that this is going to be, but Monday and Tuesday we're going to essentially have isolated storm chances. So nothing really too big. You might have one or two isolated thunderstorms pop up Monday and Tuesday. However, one thing I do want to go over is the severe weather parameters. So for Monday, if we do get a thunderstorm, the conditions are very good for severe weather. And the National Weather Service only has us under a marginal risk of severe weather, but I think this is mostly because there won't really be many thunderstorms forming. However, I feel like in thunderstorms that do form, there's going to be a slight to maybe even an enhanced risk, sorry about that guys, of severe weather. And here's why. So this is the weather sounding for 23Z Monday, May 14th. So if a thunderstorm does form, you can see that we have a bunch of cape right here. I'm trying to get a better weather sounding. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see that we have a lot of cape right here, right? The parcel path goes to about 45,000 feet, which is good, which means that thunderstorms will have strong updrafts, lots of high cloud tops. Cape values are in the 3000s, the upper 3000s, which is a very good sign. It shows that the atmosphere is going to be very unstable. PWatt values 1.74 means lots of heavy rain possible. And if you look at the winds, you'll see that they generally are turning in a clockwise direction. It's much less pronounced now than the soundings earlier today. So I think now I'm leaning with more of a slight risk of severe weather for tomorrow in thunderstorms that do form, but overall it's going to be a marginal risk. So I think tomorrow, if you do get a thunderstorm, watch out, because some of them might be strong to severe, with the main threats being hail and damaging wind gusts. So let's close out of that. Then after that, Tuesday, I think the same story, another couple of isolated thunderstorms. I think both on Monday you have about a 20% chance of seeing a thunderstorm, and then Tuesday about 15 to 20%. Very widely scattered, isolated storm chances for those days. But as you get closer to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, your storm chances definitely start to ramp up. I think from Wednesday all the way till Saturday, you're gonna have the chance for thunderstorms, and from Wednesday to Saturday, you're gonna have anywhere from a 30 to a 70 to an 80% chance to have storms. But each day there'll be the potential for thunderstorms. If we go to the GFS model now, and we go to 18Z Wednesday, go to the weather sounding, you'll see that this is mostly a rain event. Not really that many good cape values. The lines are close together all the way up. So I think Wednesday, instead of really seeing any good thunderstorms, it's going to be mainly rain showers and areas of heavy rain because of the high PWatt values, but not really any big dynamic thunderstorms. Now if we go to Thursday, click on the sounding. Same sort of story, excuse me, but maybe a little more rain. Rumbles of thunder, a few more thunderstorms. Friday, think Friday we'll have a better chance of seeing some more dynamic and develop thunderstorms across the area. I think each day, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we have the chance for seeing a few good thunderstorms, but there's a higher chance for seeing more heavy rain and isolated rumbles of thunder with Wednesday and Thursday. And now, as we go past that, it's going to remain very unsettled. We'll have a little tropical system coming in from Florida over the next couple of days, which will basically enhance our rain chances over the Mid-Atlantic, and it will help promote more heavy downpours in areas that do see rainfall. As you go to Monday of next week, still remaining in an unsettled pattern. And then after that, look at that, the GFS has a little tropical system that it wants to bring in, obviously way far out. You can't even do anything with that right now. But I think basically from Wednesday all the way till next Tuesday, or all the way till next Friday or Thursday, we're going to have chances for rainfall. And each day is going to be about 30-40% chance on average, so most areas will miss out, and then some areas will see rain. So I think the chances for everyone seeing at least a little bit of rain over the next week or two is definitely very high. We're in a very unsettled pattern right now. Basically, few thunderstorms pop up here and there. A few of them might be strong to severe, and then you go to the next day, and each day is also going to be pretty hot. The next couple of days, Monday, Tuesday, in the low 90s, and then after that we go into the more of the low to mid 80s. So quite warm and humid, and also the chance of storms each day. If we go to this temperature anomaly, we'll see that temperatures are going to be running above average for the next 15 days at least. And that's the way it's looking right now. If we go to the CFS weekly, week 1, look at that huge ridge of above average temperatures, and that's all being caused by this Bermuda high, this big stubborn Bermuda high right here, pumping in that warm air. And that's been the pattern for the past week or so, and it's going to remain the pattern for at least the next 2 or 3 weeks. And it remains to be seen when that pattern will finally break, and we'll see a break from all this warm and unsettled weather. But as that Bermuda high slightly weakens in the middle of the week, as it shifts a little to the east, we're still going to be seeing those warm temperatures, but we'll be on the outer range of that, and that will allow storms to develop along with that area of tropical moisture to enhance our storm chances in the week. So I still feel like we're going to be in that Bermuda Ridge pattern, except the heat just won't be as extreme after Wednesday. The week after this still remains uncertain, but that's it for now, guys. I think the general thing to take away from this video is a really unsettled pattern for the next couple of weeks. Storm chances every day, warm, sometimes even hot temperatures, sunny conditions, and then suddenly we'll have a storm, and then you're back to sunny conditions. That's basically the takeaway for the next couple of weeks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.